Hi everyone, this is my database application for Homework 6. I'll walk through the code and then run it. So let's start with the initializing the database. So this piece are responsible for creating the SQLite file, which we're going to use it as a database. So these queries are responsible for creating the tables, which we've used in previous homework, and um, yeah, this is also a part that inserts like data into the tables that we're gonna use, and we have some routes. The main routes are the first and second insert as it's been asked as a homework. Insert is simple. They're mostly plain SQL queries, which uses Flask's built-in functions. Then this route is responsible for increasing the supplier status by 10%. And I use the formula. I multiplied status by 1.1, which is 10% of it, and I rounded it. And the suppliers route is responsible for getting all the suppliers by their ordered by their SNO, like and yeah, search is responsible for doing the search query for our application. And since it's a Python application, like Python Flask application, it doesn't need compiling, but there are some dependencies that we need to install. I already installed them. They're mostly in text, but the only dependency that we need right now is Flask. They're all libraries for Flask. And let's see, let's start the server and see how it works. So to start the server, we're going to use Python and run the app. It will run on this route. It's running on port 5000. Let's see how it works. So here's our first insert query. Let's run it. Yeah, as you can see, the first insert is successful because this combination didn't exist yet, but this one already exists in our database. So if we run it, it will give us an error, as you can see. And same with running this query again. Since it exists, it won't let us insert that again. As you can see, it will give us an error. And let's see, let's try the increase the status of every supplier by 10%. First of all, let's see how our suppliers look. As you can see, this is our suppliers, and if we click that, the status of Smith should be 22, and this should be 11, and this should be 33 if it's increased by 10%. Let's go back and test that functionality. So let's run it. As you can see, it's successful. And if we go to our suppliers again, as expected, the Smith status increased by 2, which is 10% of 20, and the rest is as expected. Let's go back, and we have a route that can view our all suppliers. That's another functionality of our application. And let's demo SQL injection. Let's go search by part, and let's see, let's write P1, and it will give us all the suppliers that has the part P1. Let's see if we can do a SQL injection. So let's try, or let's see, it should be like that, and or yeah, I pulled up this information. I'm not knowledgeable in SQL injection. I just learned it today. So one, and if we do search, it won't give us anything. The reason behind that is like even a SQL injection attempt returns no result because the input is passed as a parameter, never concatenated into the query, so it's always being passed as a parameter. So like when someone tries to do SQL injection, it will always reject, give like nothing back. And as you can see, we cannot run inserts again because both of them are present in our database. So I've also put a reset database functionality. Yeah, if you can see, and we can do the insertions again. Only the first insertion because it's already in our database. So if you run it, yeah, it's still successful. Yeah, the query for resetting database is like plain and straightforward. We just drop all the tables in shipment and part and supplier. And once server runs again, as you can see, it will reinitialize the database, and we will have a fresh database again, back to back. To wrap it up, that covers all 5 required operations in the homework. 2 inserts with success fail reporting, a status update displaying all suppliers, and a SQL injection safe part search. Thank you for listening.